Thinking about buying a new home? You probably have some questions. Here are the top 5 questions we hear and answers that will help make the buying process smoother. What are the benefits of new versus used? How do I take on such a large project? How do I pick the right floor plan for my budget? How do I see what I'm paying for? And finally, how is Pulte Homes different? Hi, I'm Rebecca Lundberg. I've worked in home building for over 13 years, and I've helped a lot of people purchase their new home. Obviously, there are a lot of questions that come up. Let's get to some answers. Why buy new versus used? A new home gets you several things you may not find in previously owned homes. You have the ability to select your home site and floor plan, to personalize your home and make it the way you want it to be. You choose features that suit your family's lifestyle, without renovations. A new home can be more flexible. The way people live in a home changes over time, so a new home with a modern, open home design can evolve as your family does. Since it's a new home, it has the latest smart home technology. Everything works, so you're not trying to install wires or hardware in an older home, cutting holes in walls and rewiring things. A new home is built with the latest materials and systems. It's built to be up to 30% more energy efficient than an older home. Those are real savings that can really add up every month. With a new home, you have the peace of mind of a more comprehensive warranty to rely on. Plus, since it's a brand new home, things go wrong way less frequently. How do I take on such a large project? Building a house is a big project, but it's also exciting. Thinking about the build process in steps helps make it much more manageable. Your builder should have a step-by-step guide of what will happen when during the build process. We have a video on our site that explains our build process and what you should expect when building with Pulte Homes. How do you pick the right floor plan for your family and budget? Come to your home design decisions thinking about how your family wants to live, both now and in the future. Do you want a spacious owner's suite? Would you like an open floor plan for entertaining? Do you need extra bedrooms to host out-of-town guests? Would you like a great space for outdoor living? Pulte Homes has created floor plans with intuitive designs that work beautifully for every stage of your and your family's life. You can learn more about what might work for you in our floor plan video. We have multiple floor plans in various price ranges. Your sales consultant will work with you to help find the right home design for your budget. How do I see what I'm paying for? It's hard to look at an empty lot or a floor plan and imagine the home you're going to live in. Most good home builders will have tools available to help visualize your new home. These tools may include model homes, virtual tours, online furniture space planners, and even material and color sample boards. Many, like Pulte Homes, also have design tools on their websites to help you imagine what the rooms in your home could look like, even with different finishes. When you build with Pulte Homes, in addition to choosing your home design and home site, you'll be able to choose from a curated selection of cabinets, flooring, countertops, and more to truly personalize your home. We'll even help you make those selections and keep it all within your budget. How is Pulte Homes different, and why should you build with us? At Pulte, we've done extensive research and intuitively designed our floor plans to make sure they're built for the life you've always wanted. In other words, our innovative floor plans have smart spaces that can make your home perfect for you, whether that's for family, entertaining, or personal time. Pulte Homes has over 65 years of home building experience. Throughout the process, you will be guided by our highly trained sales consultants. Our proven build quality experience process ensures quality and provides you with checkpoints and communication every step of the way. Some more reasons are our comprehensive warranty, high standards, and quality materials. Pulte Homes has one of the best warranties in the industry, offering extra protection and peace of mind for your home. Our Pulte construction standards meet or exceed industry standards, ensuring that you have a high-quality home. We even do third-party audits to make sure. And finally, we choose high-quality materials for your home and partner with leading brands you know and trust. Pulte Homes also works with Pulte Mortgage to make the home financing part of the process go smoothly. Pulte Mortgage provides new construction lending experts who understand new home financing process and timelines. And our sales consultants are equipped to help you understand the affordability implications of the choices you make. With other builders, you may have to go back and forth between your lender and builder. We streamline the process for you, so you'll have a better sense of the total cost of your new home. I hope this has answered some questions for you. If you have more questions, please talk to a sales consultant at a local Pulte Homes community.